maybe?
Spotify is adding direct messages.
What? What? Why? The rest of it is for some reason. What is the point in this? You can send a DM from a song, send the song link as a DM so conversation can follow.
About the song.
No one needed this.
You can send a song link off platform, and when that person opens it, it can play from Spotify from within their DMs so that you can reply there instead of off platform. This can be clicked on by people who aren't your Spotify friend. They have to request to DM you. Basically,
some development unit within Spotify just really needed something to do.
I gotta imagine that that's how this went down. Or hear me out. Absolutely everything needs DMs now. And Spotify just was recognizing an overwhelming trend and was compelled to get on board. Dude, do you have any idea how many apps on my phone
It's way too many.
are capable of sending messages to other people? I do not need more apps to send messages.
Yeah.
Like I'm a messaging chameleon. Like on my phone right now, with unread messages, I have WhatsApp, I have SMS, I have email, and I have Teams. That's just with unread messages in the period of time since I've last touched my phone and cleared things that I don't need. Other than that, I have Discord, WeChat, Messenger, Instagram. I have TikTok has DMs, right? I have Steam Chat. Like, does Twitch have DMs? I'm trying to remember. Meanwhile, he's just
Twitch
reading his DMs.
No, I gotta read this now message. Twitch does have DMs.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
How could I possibly... Oh yeah, I forgot about Gmail. Also has chat built into it. There's too many. I don't use it regularly, but I have Signal, I think it is. I have one of the, I have either Signal or Telegram or something. Occasionally, there's a contact that will message me there, so I have to make sure that I have it. I have to have all the things. I mean, and I'm not even counting the ones that do have specific DM function, like Uber, where you can DM your driver. I'm not going to count that. I'm just saying, you can DM people through Google Docs if you really want to. There's no shortage of places that I can send direct messages, and I don't need more of them. Thank you very much, Spotify. Please screw off with your social media building features of your website and this really is the biggest reason, because normally I could just ignore it. I could pretend that this feature completely doesn't exist. But what another DM inbox means to me is another place that I can get spammed and that I can get notifications cluttering up my biz. Please stop. No more notifications, no more inboxes. Do you need another inbox, Luke?
I wish I had less. So the reason why I originally picked up my phone was to check the messages, communication.
Nice.
Yeah, just too many.
Oh, yeah, you got Threads in there. You got Blue Sky.
Why are they all blue?
Signal, Line, WeChat, Meet,
They're
WhatsApp,
all blue.
Other Meet.
Oh, yeah, I have Line on my
Facebook,
other phone.
Threads, Teams,
LinkedIn.
Telegram, Messenger. A lot of these, I never, ever use them.
And you know that some non-tech savvy person with Spotify is going to get some spam Nigerian prince DM, and it's another bloody attack vector, and it doesn't need to be there.
A lot of these, it's because one person that I know uses it, and they just refuse to use anything else. And it's okay, I guess.
I mean, that's why I have one of mine, and the person who won't use anything else is you.
There's no way you don't have other people that you communicate with over that.
On Discord?
Yeah, there's no way. You have played games with other people on Discord when I am not there. That has happened.
I wouldn't need it on my phone for anyone else.
Oh.
Here, look how far you have to go to find people I haven't spoken to in over a month. You are literally.
Right, we can use something else. We can use something else.
Now, I understand his hesitation, but I have told you I'm on WhatsApp. That's what I primarily use. So you're the guy that is the reason that I have to use Discord on mobile.
I do have it now, though. If you really want to use it,
you're the guy, Luke.
It's installed now.
But you know what? You know what this means? Is I would do that for you.
Oh,
I would do that for you. You are worth.
That's pretty cute.
You are worth maintaining. When I get see, honestly, this is actually kind of hilarious because I think that would be a super cool feature for a messaging app if the icon, the like lock screen icon, could be different for your different contacts. Because when I get a Discord icon, I know it's probably you. That would be kind of cool. Maybe what we should do is we should build DMs into Floatplane. We'll turn Floatplane into a messaging platform, and that'll be our key feature, is you can assign a different notification icon to your key contacts so that at a glance you can be excited to hear from your BFF.
Is that possible?
Oh, probably not. I don't care.
I don't think so.
I'm just saying that whenever I get
Floatplane DMs airmail.
Whenever I see it.
Sorry, it scrolled off my screen, but that was a great idea.
No, it's not a great idea. It's 2025. It's 2025. It has to be gender neutral. Oh, he's not there to ding me. Dang it. That wasn't even worth it.